All right. Had a little problem with my association, retirement community, with the swimming pool. Had the kids there. Well, they couldn't handle the noodles, but so I bought them one of them little plastic, like inner tube floats. Well, I got hell for that. They said, that's a toy. Loud and loud in it. So what it is, everybody's messing with these noodles, and they use noodles, but the kids don't like the noodles, they like it in the sling. So I says, well, what can I do here? So what it is, I got a long noodle. I got a hunk of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. Went ahead, and I actually got the PVC glue. And I brushed it onto one end of the pipe, and I shoved it halfway. And it's the pipe's around 5 inches long. And I'm going to put the PVC glue on the other half and stick it together and make a ring out of this thing. The PVC glue really held that pipe in there. And hope this works out all right. If anything, I'm going to see about, there's the bigger diameter PVCs, and I'll see what size pipe that takes. But the little grandson's only 5. We're going to be 5, and he's small, so this should hold him up. He doesn't like holding just the noodle. It's got to be in this ring, and he got real upset when couldn't do it anymore. So let's see. I'll see about getting one of the thicker diameter PVC rings and gluing a pipe in that, so I can have a thicker ring. All right, let's see how he likes this.